My class of mobile computing. Today we will learn about data dissemination. Ongoing advances in communication, including the proliferation of internet, development of mobile and wireless network, high bandwidth availability to homes, have led to development of a wide range of new information centered application. Many of these applications involve data dissemination, that is delivery of data from a set of producers to a large set of consumers. Data dissemination entails distributing and pushing data generated by a set of computing system or broadcast data from audio, video and data services. The output data is sent to the mobile devices. A mobile device can select, tune and cache the required data item which can be used for application programs. Efficient utilization of wireless bandwidth and battery power are two of the most important problems facing software designed for mobile computing. Broadcast channels are attractive in tackling these two problems in wireless data dissemination. Data disseminated through broadcast channel can be simultaneously accessed by an arbitrary number of mobile users, thus increasing the efficiency of bandwidth usage. Classification of data delivery mechanisms. There are two fundamental information delivery methods for wireless data application: point-to-point access and broadcast. Compared with point-to-point access, broadcast is a more attractive method. A single broadcast of a data item can satisfy all the outstanding requests for that item simultaneously. As such, broadcast can scale up to an arbitrary number of users. There are three kinds of broadcast model: push based broadcast, on demand or pull based broadcast, and hybrid broadcast. Push based mechanism. The server pushes data records from a set of distributed computing system. Examples are advertisers or generators of traffic congestion, weather reports, stock quotes and news report. This figure shows a push-based data delivery mechanism in which a server or computing system pushes the data record from a set of distributed computing system. The data records are pushed to a mobile device by broadcasting without any demand. The push mode is also known as publish subscribe mode, in which the data is pushed as per the subscription for a push service. Push based mechanism function in following manner. A structure of data records to be pushed is selected. An algorithm provides an adaptable multi-level mechanism that permits data item to be pushed uniformly or non-uniformly after structuring them according to their relative importance. Data is pushed at selected time intervals using an adaptive algorithm. Pushing only once saves bandwidth. However, pushing at periodic intervals is important because it provides the devices that were disconnected at the time of previous push with a chance chance to cache the data when it is pushed again. Bandwidths are adapted for downlink. Bandwidths are adapted for downlink in case of pushes. Using an algorithm, usually higher bandwidth is allocated to records having higher number of subscribers, or to those where with higher broadcast or higher access capabilities. A mechanism is also adopted to prevent the device from a mechanism is also adapted to stop pushes when a device is handed over to another cell. On device handoff, the subscription is cancelled or passed on to new service provider cell. In pull-based mechanism, the user device receives data record sent by server on demand only. What are the advantages of push-based mechanism? With push-based mechanism, enable broadcast of data services to multiple devices. The server is not interrupted frequently by requests from mobile devices. These mechanisms also prevent server upload which might be caused by flooding of device request. Also, the user even gets the data he would have otherwise ignored, such as traffic congestion, forthcoming weather report, etc. Disadvantages: push-based mechanism disseminate of unsolicited, irrelevant or out of context data which may cause inconvenience to the user. Pull-based mechanism. The user device pulls the data record from the service provider's application database server or from a set of distributed computing system. Examples are music album server, ringtone server, video clip server, or bank account activity server. Records are pulled by the mobile devices on demand, followed by the selective response from the server. Selective response means that server transmits data packet as response selectively. For example, after client authentication, verification, or subscription account check. The pull mode is also known as the on-demand mode. This diagram shows a pull-based data delivery mechanism in which a device pulls or demands from a server or computing system the data records generated by a set of distributed computing systems. Pull-based mechanism function in the following manner. The bandwidth used for uplink channel depends upon the number of pull requests. A pull threshold is selected. This threshold limits the number of pull requests in a given period of time. This controls the number of server interruptions. A mechanism is adopted to prevent the device from pulling from a cell which has handed over the concerned device to another cell. On device handoff, the subscription is cancelled or passed on to the new service provider cell. In pull-based mechanism, the user device receives data record sent by server on demand only. Advantages of pull-based mechanism. With pull-based mechanism, no unsolicited or irrelevant data arrives at the device, and the relevant data is disseminated only when the user asks for it. Pull-based mechanisms are the best option when the server has very little contention and is able to respond to many device requests within expected time intervals. Disadvantages: the server faces frequent interruptions and queries and queues of requests at the server may cause congestion in cases of sudden rise in demand for certain records. In on-demand mode, another disadvantage is the energy and bandwidth required for sending the request for hot items and temporal records. Hybrid mechanisms. A hybrid data delivery mechanism integrates pushes and pulls. The hybrid mechanism is also known as interleaved push and pull mechanisms. The devices use the back channel to send pull requests for records which are not regularly pushed by the front channel. The front channel uses algorithm modeled as broadcast disk and sends the generated interleaved responses to pull request. The user device or computing system pulls as well as receives the pushes of the data record from the service provider's application server or database server or from a set of distributed computing system. Best example would be a system for advertising and selling music albums. The advertisement are pushed and the mobile devices pull for buying the album. This diagram shows a hybrid interleaved push-pull based delivery mechanism in which a device pulls or demands from a server and the server interleaves the responses along with the pushes of the data record generated by a set of distributed computing system. Hybrid mechanisms function in the following manner. There are two channels, one for pushes by front channel and the other for pulls by back channel. Bandwidth is shared and adopted between the two channels depending upon the number of active devices receiving data from the server and the number of devices requesting data pulls from the server. An algorithm can adaptively chop the slowest level of scheduled pushes successively. The data records at lower level where the records are assigned lower priorities can have long push interval in a broadcasting model. Advantages of hybrid mechanisms. The number of server interruptions and queued requests are significantly reduced. Disadvantages: TP does not eliminate the typical server problems of too many interruption and queued requests. Another disadvantage is that adaptive chopping of the slowest level of scheduled pushes. Thank you for watching.